We're going to show you how to set up a database in Microsoft Outlook, its benefits and maybe its pitfalls. We are using Camtasia to prepare this demo, so you are experiencing Camtasia while learning about databases. So what are the benefits of using Outlook Express? It allows you to set up your database using different categories, to then email them as a specific group, to print envelopes or labels to that group easily, to forward this list and details on to others. If your PC is connected to a phone, you can phone with just one click, and many more things still to be discovered, I am sure. This explanation is using Outlook 2010. It is possible to use it in other versions of Outlook, but the commands may be slightly different. First, open Outlook. In the bottom left-hand corner is a card icon. Click on this. Right-click on Contacts at the top of the blue column to make a new folder. We will call it Crickhowell. Now highlight this folder and click on the New Contacts, top left, and complete details in the fields. You'll see the business card being compiled on the right as you type. We're going to save and close this to show you one we've compiled earlier. Click on Brecon and double click to open up Brecon Town Council. Here you will see all the fields completed. We're now going to assign categories to this entry. We've already got Community, Business and Brecon assigned. If you go up to the Categorise icon, you'll see that they're already colour categoried. I can't say the word. Using default colours to Business and Community, for example, you can assign whatever categories are appropriate to you, and you can add new ones as required. On each person's card, you can assign as many categories as appropriate to your needs. Notes allows you to add information as required. We need to minimise this box and Notes becomes visible. Map It at the bottom will show you on Google Maps where this address is. Another option is to add social media sites if you should so desire. We need to expand that bottom box. Oops. And click on Add. This takes you through the installation procedure to add Facebook or LinkedIn or other social media as you require. Once added, as soon as you type a name in it, if they are on the site, their information and picture will appear in this box. This is only appropriate if they have a business site, as otherwise it brings up all their personal information, so use with caution. Save and close. This is the basic setup. However, if you have your database in Excel, for example, you do not need to retype it all again. You can import your database straight into the cards. This is how you import from Excel. Make a new contact folder. No.
Sorry.
Contacts.
Oh, how do I get out of that?
Contacts. And right click. New folder. We're going to call it Apaches. This database just has names and email addresses. Go to the bottom left-hand corner to the envelope symbol and then go to File and Open and Import. Select Import from another program or file. Next. Select Microsoft Excel. Next. This allows duplicates to be created. You browse now to find your file, but our file is opened up by default. Next. We're now going to look for the destination folder that we've just made, Apaches. And we're going to map custom fields. We're going to drag from value to field, but we need first to check that field is clear. If not, we go to clear map. So we're going to drag the value to the field. Click OK and finish. All your data is now going straight into the Outlook cards. We will go back into Outlook contacts to see. You may find, as we have, that blank cards come at the beginning. We're going to scroll down to check and then delete all the blank cards. We're then going to add the colour categories to each person. You can do this as a block by Shift and click, or Control and click. To categories, select a category, and all those ones you've highlighted will be assigned that same category. It's important to set this up properly at the beginning, as this will increase the ease of use for the future. Now let me show you how to email the group. First, select your contacts. Click on the group required, then type the categories you require in the search box.
Sorry. I've highlighted it wrong.
If you want to further refine your list, use Control and click and Shift and click as you've done before to select highlighted addresses. Simply click on Email at the top of your page. And all their addresses will appear in your sent box, in your to box. You're ready to write your email. It's as simple as that. We're now going to use this list to print envelopes or labels. We're going to use Talabont for this example. So click on the group required, Talabont, then type the categories you require in the search box, business in this case. And once again, if you want to further refine your list, use Control and click or Shift and click to highlight selected addresses. Go to the mail merge at the top in the middle and select only selected contacts and contact fields in current view. OK? Microsoft Word will then open. Start Mail Merge at the top left and click on Envelopes. Select the envelope option that you require, that one's fine. Check the printing options and click on OK. If you want to put something on every envelope, click on the top left and write something appropriate. Click on the space where the address will go and this will bring up a box. Insert Merge field, top middle. Go to Name, Enter, and Business Address. These categories must match the description on your contact box. Now go to Preview Results and go to the arrows to check the list. So all the contacts that you selected at the beginning have now got addresses on each of the envelopes. Finish and merge, and then go to Print. In this case, obviously, we won't print. This would be exactly the same if you wanted to print labels. You would select labels instead of envelopes. This Skype has shown you how to use the existing database system. To forward a group contact list, open up Outlook Express. Open your contact cards. Open the folder that you wish to send and highlight the cards required using Shift and click. Click on Forward Contacts as an Outlook card and you'll see they've appeared in your email as an attachment. Enter the person you're going to send them to and send. It's as simple as that. If you want to receive a database to insert, once again, open up Outlook Express. Here's the email that I've received. Click on the contacts and then you simply pick them up, go to the contact card, wait for the next screen to open and take them to the place you want to put them. They're already there, so in this case I should just click Update. If you are receiving a database to insert, open the email, go to the contacts icon and make a new folder. I'm going to call it Talgarth 2 as I already have one. Go back to your email, highlight the selected contacts and then drag them to the contact icon, wait for the next page to open and take it to the folder that you've just made. It's really that simple. We'll go back, open it up and there they all are. That you have, presuming you are using Microsoft as an operating system. No extra cost for a new package. It has shown you how to set up a group contact list and how to import existing lists that you may have already spent time assembling. It has shown you how easy it is to email and how you can print envelopes and therefore labels too. It's a powerful programme, one that has more potential than we have outlined. That is the end of what we want to show you today. As you get more familiar with it, please share your new knowledge. Thank you.